Alright, so I put it all back in and started my car. As you can see, the water is all heated. It's all heated up, and let's check it. Now, before that, my problem was that this side, the passenger side, was just fine, but the driver's side was the one that was broken. So let's do this again. Okay, turn on the heat. Make sure you don't turn your heat all the way, just okay. All right, I feel the warmth. This is good. Now I'm just gonna show you what I did one more time. Is here, I haven't sealed it yet, but it all seems to be working, and you can see the blend door is on its place, and when I turn it from heat to cold, it starts moving. See? Yep. Just make sure you get it all right, because no one wants to do it again. It's a really hard job. Okay, well, it was actually better from what I was expecting, because there's a little to almost no air leak, so I might not even use the sealant. Maybe not today, but when it's maybe in the spring, because I'm really cold. Now, here is how you fix the blend door. For free, but it'll take you a lot of time and dedication. Please like and subscribe my videos if this video was helpful to you. Thank you.